Hi, Jim Sammons from the Kayak Fishing Show. This week we're at Cedros Island, and if you're a kayak angler, you know that we don't like the wind. But sometimes, just sometimes, that wind can bring some big fish, and that's what happens on this week's episode. Our last day on Cedros Island was pretty awesome. A challenge. We had, as every day, we had insanely high winds, 25, 35 mile an hour gusts. That's hard to fish in. But we saw bait, we saw birds, and I was just bound and determined I was going to stick it out. Paddled into the headwind, and I mean, I was paddling as hard as I could at some points with those really hard gusts, and I was going, you know, like 0.7 miles an hour. I got two really good quality yellowtail, a couple of the biggest I've ever caught. A 37 and a 39 pounder, and I'm telling you, fighting those big fish in those challenging conditions just made the catches that much more exciting. I mean, it was really cool. You know, I said I was paddling, you know, 0.7 miles an hour. That fish pulled me 2 miles an hour into the wind. That shows you how powerful these big fish are. And it was just so exciting and so fun. And when you finally get that fish underneath you and you know you've got it, you got color, it's dicey because there's so much water moving around, and the fish may go down, and it's kind of sketchy, but you have color, and it's just like, you know you're that close to getting it. Got the SG. I have a 80-pound Seaguar thread lock. I had a 40-pound Seaguar fluorocarbon leader. Man, everything I could to pull on that fish, and everything held up perfect. What a great fish, great fight. Good times. Let's put that on the boat. Gotta be really careful if you get straight underneath you. Dicey conditions. Fish can easily put you in the water. It's dicey because there's so much water moving around, and the fish may go down, and it's kind of sketchy, but you have color, and it's just like, you know you're that close to getting it. And once you put the gaff in it, it's like, man, it was so exciting. It was just such a great ending to an awesome trip here at Cedros Island with Cedros Outdoor Adventures. Yeah! I can't thank Jose at Cedros Outdoor Adventures enough. He and his staff did such an incredible job to accommodate us and to get us on fish and to really work hard in some pretty trying conditions. You've got to come to this place. You will not regret it. Well, I hope you can see that sometimes battling the wind is worthwhile. I want to thank Kokatat for helping us wear the best clothing possible and always keeping us safe on the water. Check them out at kokatat.com. If you haven't done so already, please give us a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to Kayak Fishing Tales.